Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today in this vlog, welcome to the Rambagh Garden in Ulve, Navi Mumbai. It's a beautiful rainy day and the garden looks very fresh and full of life. Now you can see the monsoon has transferred this place into peaceful escape. The cool and fresh air make every walk here relaxing and enjoyable. Whether you are looking for a quiet place to unwind, take photographs or simply enjoy nature, Rambagh Garden is a wonderful destination during the rainy season. The rain adds a special charm to every corner of the garden, creating a calm and refreshing atmosphere. It's the perfect place to spend quality time with family and friends or enjoy a peaceful walk surrounded by nature. If you are visiting Ulve or Navi Mumbai during the monsoon, don't miss the chance to experience the beauty of Rambagh Garden. In this garden, you can see various selfie points. There is one fountain and one lake is there. So friends, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more travel and nature videos. Till then, bye bye and see you in the next one. Thank you.